Hello guys, my name is Aruzhan Otigen and I am student of General Medicine 2092. Today we are going to talk about the examination, exactly percussion, perfusion, palpation of the heart. So now I am going to show you these types of examination. Good luck. So the first is heart palpation. So firstly, we must find the apex of the heart of the patient. It is located in the left side of the approximately here. So it is here. What is palpation? Palpation is the apex beat may be visible on this inspection, but is defined as the most lateral and the inferior position at which cardiac impulse can be felt. The cardiac impulse results from the left ventricle moving the forward and the striking the chest while during systole. The apex beat, firstly we should find the apex. It is located under the patient. So the apex beat is normally in the left intercostal space, in the medial to the mid-cavalier line, which is halfway between. So second method is auscultation. We have 4 types of auscultation. It is aortic, pulmonary, tricuspid, and also we have a mitral, which is similar to apex of the heart. Apex of the heart is located here. So mitral is approximately here. Lap tap, we heard. Second is aortic. Aortic locates under the scapula, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Lap tap. And the pulmonary locates the opposite to the aortic. Lap tap. The last one is tricuspid. Tricuspid is located under the bones, left side of the bone. Lap tap. From the here. Move into the right side, from the right side to the left side. Approximately here it's like normally it's located like 1-2 centimeters from the sternum. Then we should find left border of the heart, which is located in the left side of the human. We must start from the border of the heart. That's it. It's located approximately here. Find upper lobe of the heart. It is goes downside from the scapula. Approximately here. So we find that the main points of the auscultation. It is like the main points of the. So that was the relative toll of the heart. The main 3 points. Thank you. That was the main examination of the heart. Thank you for your watching.